Hello, today we are at the Rhone Retreat in Gaujac, France, and had a workshop here. And 2 days ago I did a watercolor demonstration. This is the scene that one of our cute participants was interested in kind of dissecting so that she could paint it. And I'm going to have to show you the final product and make a few comments. As you can see to the left of the stairs, the steps is pretty intense foliage, and I could not see very well through it. The day that we painted, it was sunnier and brighter, so you could see the lines and angles of those wonderful tiled roofs and other structures. You could see those a little bit better. This is what I came up with. This was the ending product, and you will see that I cannot now see the swimming pool. I took a big liberty there, and so I sort of made the foreground slant down. I'm going to walk up here and let you see what was beyond. We had enjoyed a number of meals under this wonderful canopy of greenery that you'll see in the distance. I think it is Virginia creeper. And so looking at this and enjoying this so much, I have then added it to my painting, but you really can't see it. So artists take liberties. I hope you'll feel free to do the same thing. I ended up not planning as well as I would have liked to because I couldn't get the steeple of the church in. This is the church of the town of Gaujac, and we hear the bells. I think there's one bell that goes off about 2 minutes before the hour, and then at other times, and it's just been delightful. So here you are, and I hope you've enjoyed this happy scene. Bye now.